they really not. So, you know, our regular conversations, I had to kind of filter them and stuff like that. Like, they don't have a clue what you're talking about. And the stuff you're saying is like far-fetched to them, but shit everyday living, you know? So it was like a transition a bit between that. But some people, they was just like me. I could wire a whole house by myself, no help. I could wire your house right now. Call me, 267-206-3813. Troubleshooters LLC. And I got workers with me. We do a lot more than electrician too. But yeah, I learned how to wire a whole house, residential. Not commercial, but residential. Call.
That's what's up. So what were some of the obstacles that you, that like namely you beat along the way in school? What were some of the challenges?
Man, when they had us doing,
now,
listen, some of the obstacles.
You got to answer some of the obstacles I faced.
Some of the obstacles that I faced at PTTI was when I didn't even want to go to program and logic control, and they switched us up and had us go from advanced wiring to downstairs, and they chopping up schedule. You gotta go 2 hours up here, 2 hours. Ain't nobody trying. I didn't even come to do none of that, first of all. So that was the biggest obstacle, you know what I mean? And then, like I said, it was the fiasco with the staff and stuff like that, but we sorted it out. But yeah, like, they just try to bust me out, had me working on elevators. I never said I wanted to do none of that. But we feel like we offering it to you. It's good that you learn to put more tools on your belt. Let me tell you something, explain something to you. I don't care about none of that. I want to do advanced wiring. That's what I want right now. You trying to give me all this extracurricular, which is cool, but I ain't really on that. So once I kind of, you know, got to understand it with them, and then understood they really was trying to help, and I put a little bit of time into it, I learned that too. But it was a hell of an obstacle. I didn't. How you gonna try to make me learn something I don't want to learn?
So you telling me that the PLC that you learned was the shit that you didn't want to learn?
Yeah, I didn't want to learn it.
And that's the stuff that like that's your biggest takeaway. That's the stuff that you've been all about when you go out in the regular world.
Well, I don't have no takeaways with PTTI. I love everything about the program in its entirety. I'm just saying it was an obstacle. Yeah. It was an obstacle because I never had the intentions to do that. And they like kind of make it silly. They forced it. They said, dude, you have to do this. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, like they never, and maybe it wasn't in the 5-per-9 week. So to me, that was an obstacle. And then, like I said, with the transition from the teacher, he had like a swap out. I guess he got relieved and then came back under his own Jones, his own, you know? Yeah. So that was an obstacle. Other than that, everything was lit. I liked the whole program. That's what's up. And the pieces across the street was all right. I used to get the little dough lemonades and order Bellas from Manufacturing Shop. The Bellas, they would be good. So.
That's it.
I'm North Philly babies. Like, don't play with me, man.
So, what is it? Were there any instructors or individuals, especially that inspired you during your journey at PTTI?
Yes. I feel like the instructors that inspired me was all of them. Shit, the ones that worked with me. Listen, they gave us a young dude. He was on the apprenticeship. He was like 21. At first, we didn't get along at all because I felt like, how they gonna bring somebody here younger than me trying to teach me? So I ain't like it. I mean, it wasn't because it's race or nothing. I just ain't like that. We got along. He was cool. Then we had the teacher from the RIP, Mr. C. He was older. He had a little way about him, but I ended up liking him like everybody. And then Terry was the one down in PLC. And he was my PLC teacher. But like, once I met him, we locked in. That was my man. Like, nah, Terry, Mr. Terry, and Terrence. So you got Mr. Terry, Mr. Terrence, Mr. C, and the young dude. I forgot his name, but the young dude that was on the apprenticeship.
Was that Ravon?
No. He was a white dude, a little young white dude. He used to be with the C at first. He the one that took over for the advanced wiring. But that was my guys right there. I liked all of them.
Okay, that's what's up.
Everybody else I ain't really know.
So, what does your future look like?
It's very bright. I'm busting out. I'm about to start school on the 3rd, Full Sail University. I'm going for music, all things pertaining to music, and as well as the business. You know, like even this stuff here, I'm gonna learn this stuff that's really camera. You know, I graduate here next month. I do the OSHA, the camera, and stuff like that. 6 months after my program, I went online. I moved to Florida to go on campus. 6 months after that, I moved to LA, and I'll just be there. My LLC with the Troubleshooters LLC, that'll be up and running soon. So while I'm doing schooling online, I'm gonna be having my program, my business ran like that. Over there, you can see one of my workers. That's people. Yep, he works for me. He works with me. We work together. So I got a lot going on. Like I said, I'm a brand ambassador for the clothing line. I got these clothes right here. He makes them. I got 3 artists. I'm a CEO of my own company. It's too much going on. You know, I'm in the like that credit stuff. I'm in the real estate real heavy, credit repair. I'm in the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. I'm like, I legit like flipped. I was like in the street selling crack, all type of wild shit. Now it's like I'm legit on that Black Wall Street shit. I'm trying to get down there, you know. So any and everything that involves trying to get to that next level, I'm on it. Like in real life, you know. And I just blame God, my mom, and my dad. Rest in peace, my dad. But yeah, I'm really changed now. I'm legit like, whew. And it takes a lot of that. I'm about to be 30, so my birthday's in March. So from 30 to 40, I feel like I want to dedicate that time to myself. I never did that. Dedicate 30 to 40 to myself and my kid. See how far I can get.
So how has PTTI contributed to that?
In a major way, dude, they gave me a trade. What? They gave me a trade and they enabled me to go further. Because like I could just start an LLC and say I'm an electrician, cool. But going here and taking it like the long way and learning it and doing it like that, you like solidified now. You feel me? It's like the 1 to the 2, then oh. So I'm sure they know that. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, they the hook that got public cook. Sherman.
Not sure what to do.
Yeah, shout out to my niggas, you mean, and Mr. Cole, you already know she got me here, man. And the whole faculty, everybody, I feel like everybody played a part. Anybody that said something to me, that spoke to me, or that gave me the time of day, even you, like, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate everybody in this program because it wasn't nobody that like tried to kill my dream here. I mean, people, we probably had disagreements or they had ways about me they didn't like, but nobody tried to assassinate me coming here to do something to change my life, regardless of what they assume I was about or what they think I came from, anything. Everybody here treated me properly. You know what I mean? That was real.
So if you had a message for potential students, so to say something to anybody that's considering coming to school here or considering a trade, they might be a young boy on the streets, they might be where you at, was that 2 years ago or 3 years ago, right. Just being out there, what would you say to them?
What I would say to the young people that's aspiring to do whatever to change their life and come to school and stuff, like, and I'm gonna just be real, I ain't worried about nothing else. If you're gonna do this shit, do it. Cause it don't matter how you do it, you feel me? That's the thing you gotta understand. Like once you really get into it, it don't matter how you do it, as long as you do it, you feel me? And that's what counts, like, cause you can say whatever about me, but I came into the program 6 months ago, I came every day, I listened to what they said, I followed it, I got done. It don't matter how I did it. Legit, it don't matter how I did it. I legit did that shit, you feel me? And that's it. I'm PTTI. I'm sturdy.